Hi! Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so new spot, see how it works out. We have Ipsy for April. I feel like I've already opened Ipsy for April, I don't know. So Ipsy, some name changes. If you missed last month, go check it out. I'll leave it up here somewhere. Let's just get this tape off of here. And this is the $13 a month bag. So you get 5 products. Usually one is full size. And you get, hold on. You get mini size, fun size, travel size, sample size, all kinds of sizes in the $13 bag. Plus you get a bag. I like it. It happens to be one of my favorites. You know, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, and sometimes it's decent. So this is April. I like sort of. With a brown tassel, usually says Ipsy. Look good, do good. That's really nice. So I was going to give you a retail value of my bag. Sometimes they tell you and sometimes they don't. But I am not good at this stuff. Anyway, we're just going to flash forward. Okay, we got a card. Anything is possible for April. Love April. Shout out to Tauruses and Aries, right? Nothing on the card. Super disappointing. But they had a lot of add-ons, and I did do some. So hopefully that's coming soon. I did already see what's in my bag. You get to pick one item, which is always good because, you know, at least you know one thing you'll like, right? I don't know what the retail value is, but this is the second month of receiving a Professional by Benefit. This is Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser Mousse, 19 mLs. Now, I'm pretty sure this is deluxe size. So it's a mini. That's what it says. Mini, and I can't give you retail value because I don't have it on the card. But last month I got the AHA toner. Love that. I might actually purchase. So this should be good. So it's a foam cleanser mousse, it says actually. The box looks the same. I don't know if this is like a new line for Benefit. Does anybody use this one? But it says it minimizes pores, so they get unblocked. And then they said after this, you should use the Professional Get Unblocked Cleansing Oil. Good to know. Good to know. Okay, so here's our full size. This is Cab Beauty felt tip eyeliner in matte black, because you gotta have a black eyeliner all the time. I haven't tried Cab, so I will definitely use that. And then I Am Beautiful with I Am Beautiful. This must be Real Her. Yes. Shelf life is 6 months. This is their Length Volume Mascara, so I will definitely try that out. If you've tried this out, let me know down below. Then Living Proof. This is Curl Elongator for coils, conditioner, 30 mLs. That's good. I'll take this on vacation. Kind of smells good too. If you've tried that, let me know. I like their packaging. It's like very sleek and simple. Okay, the new what is this? Barrier Culture Moisturizer, Pre, Pro, and Postbiotic. 15 mLs. Improve the skin barrier. Probiotic hydration. Does this smell? Oh, it's sealed, so we can't. So, kind of a mix. We got some skincare, 2 makeup products, a hair product, and, oh, so 2 skincare products. Not too bad. We'll see what the, I guess they're calling it BoxyCharm, looks like, when that gets here. Otherwise, guys, let me know what you think of the bag. It's interesting. I mean, it's not giving me spring, but it's cute, right? I would have even taken this as a winter bag because of the white and the blue. Oh, you guys, you know, it gets harder and harder to please. So that's what it is. I kind of like it. One full-size product and other products I'm actually going to use. Let me know in the comments, guys. And if you're not subscribed already, go ahead, subscribe. Join me on my fun train. And I will see you in the next video. Stay safe.